Magandang hapon po, umaga, tanghali, gabi sa Air Elements na Aquarius. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala po. Bigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading. Yan ha, para sa buong buwan ng June. So, tingnan po natin ang energy. Saan po tayo dadalhin ha? Has it something to do about your tinatawag na work, career, profession, relationship, interaction, di ba? Commitments, family, marriage, okay? Health, saan pa, pamemera, okay? Others, society, community, yan. So, meron dito, yung the bottom card, nakita naman ninyo, di ba? Narito ang tinatawag na the nine of cups, yan ha, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's like tinatawag meron ditong pag-iisa, di ba? There is, sabihin na natin dito, a loss of money. Yan, a loss. Nakaka-experience ng loss. Kasi narito ang tinatawag na, ano ga ito? The Five of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita ko dito ay tinatawag na pera. Kay gastusan. It's like merong nahaharap kayo sa malaking gastusan. Yan ha, yun. Yun lang po nakikita ko. Malaking gastusan na ito is tinatawag pang pamilya. Nakikita ko yung pang pamilya. Okay? Maaring may sakit ang isa sa pamilya mo. Diba? It's like tinatawag na ang iyong tinatawag pamemera is halimbawa yung mga ipon mo, maapektuhan. Kaya narito ang tinatawag na the Page of Cups. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, you will hear. Nahaharap kayo. Kaya nahaharap. You will hear. Okay? It's like tinatawag na ang kanilang mga nararamdaman, ang kanilang himutok, ang kanilang pangangailangan, ang kanilang pagsusumamo, di ba? Ang kanilang yung tinatawag na pakiusap. Merong tinatawag ditong pakiusap. Yan ha? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na wala sila. Okay? Walang-wala talaga sila. Ibig sabihin nito, tulungan mo sila. Kaya narito ang tinatawag na the King of Cups. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, ikaw ito. Diba? Yan o. Yan, maaari ito'y pangangailangan ng mga kapatid mo, ng anak mo, ng asawa mo, ng magulang mo, di ba? Meron silang malaking pangangailangan na kailangang pagbigyan mo, tulungan mo. Kaya narito ang tinatawag na the Nine of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. Yan ha? So, nakikita ko for some of you here, yung tinatawag, you are capable. You are capable, okay? You are capable. Yan, no? It's like tinatawag, you will provide them. Okay? Hindi ka madamot. Nakikita dito, hindi ka madamot. Okay? You have everything. Yan. It's like nakikita dito, it's about your responsibilities. Ikaw is tinatawag very helpful. Yan ha. Very, very helpful. Yan. So for some of you, nakikita dito, it's about you. For some of you, nakikita ko freedom. Okay? You have a freedom. Sandali lang ha, sandali. Okay? Sandali lang po. Madja,
Yes.
Madja, live ako. Mamaya na ha.
Sorry.
Salamat. So nakikita dito, for some of you is tinatawag na ini-enjoy mo, okay, yung tinatawag independency nyo ha, okay? So for some of you, it's about loving yourself, di ba? Maybe ito yung tinatawag na spoiling yourself, your needs. Okay, it's like tinatawag, binibigay mo ang needs ng body mo, ng mind mo, ng soul and heart mo. Yan ha. So whatever is this, nakikita ko for some of you, yung tinatawag na you're in a good condition, nag-enjoy ka. It's like tinatawag, wala ka namang problema. Ini-enjoy mo every minutes of your life, di ba? But you are capable of loving others. Nakikita dito. Okay? So whatever is this, dadating po ito ha. Yan. Merong magko-communicate sa inyo. Either ito yung tinatawag your siblings, your friends, people with authority, your, let's say sabihin na nating mga labi-labi, wives, husbands, children, di ba? Yan, oh. There is tinatawag dito na serious na pag-uusapan. Hindi ito basta pag-uusap, okay? Very, very serious na meron itong kalakip na kanilang damdamin, 'di ba? Na mabigyan ng katuparan, mapagbigyan. Okay? Yan. Kaya dito lumabas ang Taurus, 'di ba? It's like ito lang ang magbibigay kagalingan sa kanilang pangangailangan, 'di ba? Yan oh. So ito yung tinatawag heart to heart talk. Yan ha. So it's manifesting pa, mangyayari ito ha, mangyayari. Yan. So for some of you, ibig sabihin naman nito, wala naman kayo ditong irritation. Okay, it's like you're enjoying life. Okay, sa mga mahal na Aquarius. Yan ha. So meron dito, yan o, kita ninyo, you're very, very loving. It's about your loyalty, kaya may aso. It's like kinukumpara sa aso. It's about ang tinatawag na sukatan ng inyong sukatan ng inyong loyalty. Yan ha, kita ninyo. Parang aso. So for some of you, maybe may pets kayo ng mga aso, okay? Dahil ito yung tinatawag na the 10 of Pentacles, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na paano mo, okay? Paano mo napapaalwan ang buhay, okay? Ng mga especially family mo na nangangailangan. Yan. So ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na hindi mo tinatakbuhan ang iyong responsibilidad. Okay? Yan, maganda po. So meron dito, yan ha. It's like tinatawag there is a trouble. Okay? Yan o. Nakikita dito ha, okay? So meron ditong crabs. By boat, siguro ito by the sea, okay? It's like tinatawag yung kotse mo, ilalagay mo sa barko, okay? Yan oh. Either magbabarko ka, kotse, okay? Yan, you will be guided by the stars, okay? It's like tinatawag papunta sa tagumpay. Mukhang magkakaroon dito ng tagumpay, okay? Whatever is this, nakikita ko dito. Yan ha. It's about gaining, increase. Yan no, kasi narito ha. Narito ang tinatawag na the hangman. Okay? Yan. Gains, increase, wins. Okay? Yan no. In any form, shape, and size ha. So, ibig sabihin nito na you will be summoned. Okay? You will be, it's like tinatawag, you will receive a call. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, maaari ito'y departure. Okay? Ito? Paglalakbay na ito ha. For some of you, by sea, kasi may crabs. Okay? So, it's more about family. Okay? Maaring family unity, family banding. Ibig sabihin magsasama-sama. Okay? Yan, no? Kita ninyo. So, nakikita dito for some of you, if it's the loyalty of your kapartner, nakikita dito. Okay? At sabihin na natin loyalty sa isa't isa. Diba? Yan, oh. Loyalty, kasi lumabas dito may marriage, okay? It's like tinatawag na mapupunuan. Kung napalayo ka sa iyong tinatawag na marriage life, marriage partner, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag mapupunuan, okay? Kasi lumabas dito yung tinatawag sex between man and woman. It's like tinatawag fulfillment. Yan ha? So meron travel. So meron ditong tinatawag na the page, okay? The page of cups. I do not know. Okay, the page of cups. Yan ha. So whatever is this, ito yung tinatawag na pangungulila. May nangungulila, okay? Yan, may nangungulila dito. Yan. Ibig sabihin na malayo siya. Malayo siguro siya sa kanyang minamahal. Pero nakikita dito the loyalty, the devotion. Very, very devoted siya sa kanyang tinatawag na relationship. So, ang nakikita ko dito siguro ito yung marriage. Okay? Marriage, it's more about marriage. Okay? Tinatawag na sinumpaan. Okay? Pero meron dito ha, you will receive. It has something to do about tinatawag nararamdaman nila. It's like tinatawag, fill my cups. Okay? Punuan. Kulang sa ligaya, okay? Maybe kulang sa pamemera, kulang sa pagmamahal, kulang sa pansin. 'Di ba? Yan o kailangan tutukan, pansinin ha, okay? Very serious ito. So, meron dito tinatawag, okay? Yan ha, ito yung tinatawag na the page, okay? The page of wands. Yan ha. Whatever is this, yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na incoming calls, incoming news. Okay, yan o. incoming na. Ibig sabihin nito, you will be informed, ha? You will be informed. Ibig sabihin nito, nakasalalay ang iyong tinatawag na, okay? Yan. Kasi ito yung 9 of Cups, okay? Nakasalalay dito, okay? Yung tinatawag na success, blessings, abundance, di ba? Yan, masasagot na ha, masasagot. Okay, so narito ang the Taurus, the 5 of Pentacles, Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo. Yan ha. So ibig sabihin nito, yan, whatever is this, maybe it has something to do about your mission, your ambition, your career, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about your job, di ba? Work, di ba? Or love, romance. Kasi malakas din dito ang tinatawag marriage. Okay? So, for some of you, naririto na. Yan, kita ninyo. An action. Meron na pong paglipad. Yan, lumilipad na ang ibon. Ibig sabihin, provision. Yan, kita ninyo. May provision. Okay? May growth. May result. Magandang result. Kung ano ito, you are expecting. Yan. It's like tinatawag coming. Coming na ito. On the way na. On the way na po ha. On the way na. Kaya dito, kita ninyo. Okay? Yan, it's like tinatawag, hindi ka na maghihintay ng matagal. Or sila, hindi maghihintay ng matagal. Sapagkat saan na, kita nyo, kaya dito meron tinatawag paalisin na ito, ha? It's like tinatawag na, there is a departure, a journey, a travel. Okay? So, gamit ako ng panibagong tarot para sa mga Aquarius. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, they are very, very, it's like what you are ano ang tawag dito, introducing, okay, or yung tinatawag na sasabihin, or whatever is that, it has something about words, okay, communication and action. Hindi lahat they buy it, okay? It's like sabi na natin, they don't buy your ideas, they don't buy your kung ano man ito, dahil ikaw ito, it's like tinatawag na they are not, okay? Hindi sila, it's like they are not convinced, di ba? They are not convinced. Yan. So, that's problem between you and others. Pero ibig sabihin nito, in the end, magkakaroon din ito, okay? Whatever is this, di ba? It's like, kung disappointment nila, because of sa iyo or disappointment mo because of them, magkakaroon dito ng magandang resulta. Yan magkakaroon po ha. Yan dito nakikita ha. It's like tinatawag dito, you're very very disappointed. Kung kaya dito tumalikod ka, okay? But ibig sabihin nito, ang tinatawag na magkakaroon ng tinatawag provision. Yan provision, di ba? It's like sabihin na natin, hindi nagkaroon ng tinatawag magandang usapan between you and them, di ba? Kaya dito lumabas ang the 9 of Cups, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na what you are experiencing, it's like there is a setbacks. It's like setbacks, delaying, di ba? It's like tinatawag na not convincing. Pero dito, ayan kita mo, ibig sabihin nito magkakaroon na. Ito'y ang nakikita ko dito ay na coming soon na ha. Nagmamaterialize na ito ha, is yung tinatawag publishing na, ipapublish or announcement, di ba yan Kaya dito, ibig sabihin nito, yan. Yan ha. Okay? It's like tinatawag magdadalang kaluguran na. Okay? Magdadalang kasiyahan. Dahil narinig ang cups and ito. So, ito yung tinatawag ikaw na. Di ba? It's like tinatawag na salubungan na, abutan na. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, yan, kaya lumabas ito, di ba? It's like tinatawag, the hangman, di ba? Ibig sabihin yan, is ruled by the Jupiter. Yan, So, maaring for some of you, whatever is this, kaya may travel, di ba? Yan, kita ninyo. Kaya meron dito tinatawag travel by air, okay? By air. So, ibig sabihin nito, kaya may crabs. Ibig sabihin nito, either ito yung tinatawag na magkakaroon ng unity, bonding, pagsasama ng pamilya, mag-asawa, buong mag-anak. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, nakikita dito, your loyalty and their loyalty. Yan kita ninyo, napaka full of blessings, di ba? So, ano pa? Yan lang po nakikita ko sa inyo ha. So, whatever is this, okay, tinatawag na the six of swords. Yan ha. Oo. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na malawakang pag-uusap. Okay? So, it's all about what is this? Malawakang pag-uusap. Yan, oh. Ibig sabihin nito, ito na. Yan, oh. Whatever is this malawakang pag-uusap. Yan na, merong malawakang pag-uusap na mauuwi sa tinatawag na fruition, success, abundance. Malawakang pag-uusap. Yan ha, okay? It's like tinatawag between you. It's like your problems will be solved. Okay? Nakikita dito, malawakang pag-uusap. Yan, no? Kita ninyo. Ibig sabihin nito, yan, no? So, ibig sabihin nito, movement na action. Yan. It's like tinatawag a promotion. If it has something to do about your career, promotion, when yung tinatawag increase, it's more gains. It's more about gains. Yan ha? Okay. So, yan. Ano pa? Nasaan pa? Yan ha? Okay. Kita ninyo. It's like tinatawag dito, your cups will be filled. Okay? 10 folds, 20 folds, 30 folds. So, ibig sabihin nito, wala nang pipigil. Okay? Wala nang pipigil. Yan, no? Diba? Yan, no? There is a tinatawag movement at travel. Yan, no? Diba? Wala na. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, haharap ka na. If it is sabihin na natin family relationship, love relationship, marriages, diba? Or a new career, a new job, a beginning. Okay? It's like tinatawag, magkakaroon ng tinatawag transition. Okay? Kasi narito, yan, narito ang tinatawag na the six of swords. It's about transition, 'di ba? A social butterfly, 'di ba? Ano pa? Yan oh, kita ninyo, abundance. Ano ito? Travel, a lot of troubles, okay? So it's about your emotions, what you don't have, what is tinatawag walang there is no is empty, your cup is empty, ito na po. Yan ha, okay? So kaya nga dito lumabas, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na fruition, pera, okay? So there is a movement. It's about your career. Kung career ito, ibig sabihin tatakbo. If it's about marriage, okay, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na success. Yan na, hindi na sila mag-iisa. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi na mag-iisa. Yan. It's like may uuwi, may darating, di ba? Salubungan. So, meron dito, it's like tinatawag a new place, a new house, a new residence, a new job, di ba? Ayun tinatawag building family, di ba? Yan. It's like tinatawag, meron ditong nangungulila. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, hindi na siya mangungulila. It will not last, itong tao ito hindi na maghintay na matagal. Yung kanya pangungulila hindi na magtatagal sapagkat narito na. Ibig sabihin nito magpapangitan na sila. Okay? So ito lang tinatawag negative dito. Whatever is this between you and others. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag matatapos na. Okay? So let's say sabihin na natin may mga nilalakad kayo, di ba? Ibig sabihin salungat, pero dito ibig sabihin nito yan oh. Ano na ito, soon na po ito, hindi na ito magtatagal, hindi na magtatagal dahil ito yung tinatawag na publishing announcement or yung tinatawag na ipapublic announcement ito. Okay? So, it's more about tinatawag na graces, abundance. It's like tinatawag bagong relationship, bagong commitments, bagong partnership, trabaho man ito, career, family, love relationship, health, di ba? Bahay. Mari for some of you, bagong sasakyan, bagong bahay, bagong lugar, bagong kapitbahay, bagong mga kaopisina, kaibigan. Yan. It's full of blessings. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, yung pagkauhaw mo is malalagyan, mahahydrated, magkakaroon ng hydration, moisturize, di ba? Mamomoisturize. Kumbaga dito, mapupunuan. Yan ha. So whatever is this, kung ano man itong the five of swords at saka itong tinatawag the six of swords, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, let's say sabihin na natin baka sa barangay, di ba? May mga usapan magsasarado. It's like, it's more about tinatawag na unity, batian. Ibig sabihin, problems solved. Yan o, problem solved. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, for some of you, yung tinatawag kaluwalhatian. Diba? It's like tinatawag, there is no guilt, there is no sufferings, there is no paghihintay, wala ng irritation. Okay? So, thank you very much po.